Itong hawak ko ay ang Beast Lab Shark Creator. Ito ay ang interactive toy lab ni Moose Toys na nirelease noong 2023. Kaya samahan nyo ako, lumika tayo ng Beast Shark Monster. Gamit ang real sounds, mist effects, with glowing tank. Ikaw mismo ang scientist na gagawa ng Beast Shark Monster. Collectors must have to, kaya sobrang unique. Create, imitate, dominate. Mabubuo mo ang shark right in front of you. At pagkatapos ng experiment, boom! May action figure ka na with light and sound. Alam mo ba,